How is your leadership? How is it effective in changing your life and of those of your surroundings? Are you continuously investing in your leadership? Your answer may be something like, yes, I do. I watch YouTube videos, I read blogs, I skim through some books about leadership. Yeah, that's great, but not that much sufficient. Does it make you a great swimmer to read few books or watch videos about swimming? No, never. You need to practice. Practice makes perfect. And the same applies for leadership. And this is a rule of thumb. Leadership is a skill, and you need to keep practicing it until you embody the traits of leadership, until it becomes a second nature, or with time, you lose it. And that's why we're offering a customized hands-on training program called Flex Your Leadership Muscles. It will be held in the Arab Institute of Business Leaders in Tunis. This training will be unique in many ways. Before starting, participants will be sent the link and asked to take the Strength Finder 2.0 test. Coming to the training, then they'll be given their personal training booklet and asked to fill it up and complete it while moving through an amazing journey of 4 empowering stages. The first stage is about self-discovery, the big why of your life. The second is about your future vision, the who you'd like to be. The third is about obstacles, where do they lie, inner or outer? And the fourth stage is about the action plan, what to do exactly to get there. To make sure participants follow through their commitment and achieve the goals they set for themselves, we offer 3 follow-up coaching sessions for everyone. These coaching sessions, as well as the training, will be offered by international ICF certified coaches from Canada, Spain, Greece, and Tunisia. So if you are a decision maker, an executive, a top manager, or someone who's willing to take his career up to the next level, you don't want to miss this. Save the date. And remember what Zig Ziglar says, nothing changes until you change. So take action, click on the link below, register now and start your journey of success.